This is Trade Planning with Options. Katie does this for our members. You need to be a level 3 or 4 member. This is just unbelievable information that she does. As she combines our style of analysis with her vast knowledge of option trading using the Tasty Trade platform. And she'll show you how to sign up for Tasty Trade right through our website, so don't miss that either. She's going to look at FEZ, which is the European stocks. And this is very important analysis to see because we had looked for FEZ to bottom and help lead the equity markets moving up, and that happened. However, now FEZ is failing. And this is important information. So please do make sure that you watch this. Trade Planning with Options with Katie.
Hi, this is Katie Anagnostos, and this is a Trade Planning with Options video on July 6, 2023. Today we're going to look at a trade idea in the Spider Euro Stoxx 50 ETF, ticker symbol FEZ. First, our legal disclaimer. The options trades that I demo and follow up on are trade ideas. When I talk about closing, adjusting, or managing them, I'm simply educating around management techniques, best practices, theories around risk management and profit taking, and highlighting aspects of options trading that we encounter as we follow these trade ideas. This disclaimer is specifically related to options trading. For full legal information, please go to the askSlim website or email matt@askslim.com. Let's get started. Here is the weekly chart of FEZ. Again, this is the Spider Euro Stoxx 50 ETF. We have a dominant 33-bar cycle that is broken down into minor thirds. You can see this very clearly. First minor third, second minor third, third minor third. So this last cycle was positively configured. That means that it ended higher than where it began. And with a right-hand translation, that means that the cycle peaked way over here towards the end of the cycle, leaving very little time for a pullback into the cycle timing window that's represented here with these blue vertical dashed lines. FEZ had a very shallow retracement, forming the intermediate low here, rallied back up to that prior cycle peak, backed off, and is now threatening to break through that cycle low support. So that is a quite negative scenario. We may get some sideways chop in here, but with negative momentum and getting back down to that cycle low support, we are watching for a breakdown in here. So here I've switched over to the daily chart. We have a large 52-bar cycle on the daily chart. So notice that the prior daily cycle low here formed right here with a subsequent move up, back up to that cycle peak from the prior cycle, and then it gapped down. We've had price action chopping around. Momentum has now turned negative. Our proprietary momentum indicator, the reversal scout, is negative, and the slim ribbon, which colors the candles red, green, or gray depending on momentum conditions, is also negative now. So this is deteriorating and now threatening that cycle low support. As we said, probabilities would favor rallies to fail in this resistance zone that we have created using this high and this low. So this is a declining resistance zone. It is going to be moving lower as FEZ moves lower. We have a daily cycle timing window that's represented again by these blue vertical dashed lines, and that is between August 7th and August 15th. So we're going to be looking at an options trade idea out in the August monthly expiration cycle. Now let's look at some important levels. The top of this resistance zone is at 45.77. Then we have the cycle low support at 43.65. This 127.2% fib is at 42.83 and the 161.8% fib at 41.70. Over here on the Tasty Trade platform, FEZ has a relatively high IV rank compared to some of the other ETFs on our askSlim focus list. It's currently 17.5 with an implied volatility of 21% out in that August monthly expiration cycle. So with a bearish hypothesis from about the 45 level down, we're just going to set up a simple short call spread. This is a defined risk strategy that involves selling an out of the money call and then buying a further out of the money call to define our risk. Now, looking at the premium in here to make it worthwhile, we're going to need to sell that 44 call. Yes, it's in the money, but only by 5 cents. Then we're going to buy a call that's further out. Let's go with this 48 call. That's going to give us a total credit collected of $1.17. So max profit is 117. Max loss is going to be the difference between the width of the spread and the credit collected, in this case $283. That is also the capital that you will have to put up to place this trade. We have a probability of profit of 65%. We pick up just over 46 short deltas and just over $1 of daily theta. Now, of course, if you have a greater risk tolerance, you could just do a naked short call. But in my estimation, the extra 4 or 5 cents in premium that you would pick up doing that is not worth an extra $600 in capital that you would have to put up to place the trade. So let's go and take a look at this on the risk graph. As you can see, no risk whatsoever to the downside and a break-even point at $45.17, which is the middle of that resistance zone from the daily chart. Now, Tasty Trade is our preferred options trading platform. Please go to the askSlim homepage, hover over the Marketing Partners tab, and click on the Tasty Trade link. That takes you to this page where you can learn more about Tasty Trade. And if you open an account through our link, that helps you with some special bonuses, and it also helps us. So please do consider checking that out. That's our trade planning with options video today. As always, please feel free to reach out on Discord or via email to katie@askSlim.com with any questions or feedback.
All right, this is the special we've been talking about earlier in the show. 50% discount. Great introduction to our services, education, and analysis. This is for level 1. It's $30 for 3 months of daily information. It is incredible. You're going to get our Slimulator Momentum Tracker. This is meant for longer term holders, investors, position traders, over 1,000 symbols with our built-in algorithms you can scan and sort in there. Our stock index report, daily technical analysis on the charts and major indexes. Matt does a superb job on this every single day. Spider ETF review, that's weekly. Our trader workbench where you can organize, save, track your analysis. You're going to get our archive on this show, and you'll be able to go back and review the analysis and our trading style and really learn from it. The workbench is on there twice, yes. And our special member videos, where you'll get to learn a lot about what we do in videos we put up for level 1. Plus, you're going to get access to our Discord server, and our team is very, very active on there, and our members also. Just go up to the front page at askSlim, click that Learn More button. $30 for 3 months of daily information. This is a great way to learn what we do and to get analysis, especially if you're interested in the indexes. This is just unbelievable. $30 for 3 months. Sign up for that right now, especially if you're a first timer here watching this video.